Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm working on a 2012 Chevy Tahoe and I will show you how to replace the interior door handles. This works from 2007 all the way up to 2014. To replace the inner door handle, you will have to completely remove the door panel and then unscrew and unattach the door handle from the inside. Door panel on a Chevy Tahoe is held only by two screws. One is right here behind this black cover and the other one is right here behind this black cover. What you want to do first, you want to remove those covers. You can use like a small screwdriver or whatever works for you. Okay, you can see this cover is held by two clips. And now here will be the screw. In my case there is no screw for some reason. This is a previous police Tahoe, so somebody tampered with this door panel in the past, but your screw will be right here and I can't now tell you what socket you need to remove it, but it's probably gonna be 8 or 10 millimeter. Okay, next thing you want to remove is this black cover right here, so you can also use a flat screwdriver and just gently pop it out. Okay. It also has a couple of clips. And your second screw will be right here, and mine is also missing, but yeah, yours is gonna be most likely 10 or 8 millimeter. And those are the only two screws holding this door panel, and you'll have to remove it in your case. So before you start pulling the door panel off, you'll first want to remove this window switch. So just gently pry underneath it to pop it out all around like this. To disconnect this switch, first you will want to pull on this gray plastic piece, and then you'll want to push onto this black clip and pull the switch off with your other hand. I'll have to use both of my hands to do it, but that's how it's done. Okay, to remove the door panel, you'll just want to again pry it with your flat screwdriver or something similar to release it. So you just go all around, just pop it out. There's a couple of clips holding it in place. Okay, so basically just go all around and keep popping it out until it's completely loose, and once it's loose just pull it up and it's gonna completely detach. So to completely remove the panel, you will have to detach the door handle cable. So you can use like a small pliers like this. First you'll have to push onto two black clips right here, and then you will want to pull the cable with your other hand towards the right side. I have to use both of my hands to do this. Okay, so this is the idea. First to pull this black piece out, and then you can just disconnect it, and I will show you now these clips. So basically you want to push with your pliers onto these two pins and then pull it out. Okay, once you have the door panel off, the door handle is held by two 7 millimeter screws, so you can remove them. Okay, so these are the screws, and now once you have them out, you'll be able to pop out the door handle. So it's still held by three black clips, this one, and this guy right here. So you want to start here where there's only one. Just get your flat screwdriver and gently pry it. So it pops out here, you see, like this. Now this side is loose. Now you can even probably use your fingers to push it out. And that's it. Here is your door handle. Now to install a new one, just do the opposite, just get from the other side and push it in. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it, subscribe to my channel. I try to post new videos daily. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, 0 to 60 times, and similar other automotive topics.